guys, in this episode today we're going to teach you how to make the nicest carrots, honey glazed, seared in butter and brown sugar. Your kids are absolutely going to love. We're going to do it in a cast iron skillet, and we're also going to be doing it on a fire. So let's get into it.
And we're going to be drinking.
And Amanda's going to be drinking.
Ryan's going to cook, as usual.
So the first ingredient's carrots. If you can't grow your own, pick up a bag from the store. Make sure you peel each carrot well and cut them up all into the same sizes so the cooking times remain the same. Any excess pieces, chuck them in your compost bin, throw the rest in the pot, add some water, pinch of salt, and let's get them on the boil. When they're boiling, you want to test them with a fork. Make sure that they're getting soft right through, then it's time that you can take them off. Make sure you're also having a drink, guys, because Amanda is drinking with you. With the butter, you want to make sure that you add 125 grams of butter or 2 big chunks like we did here.
Yeah!
As the butter melts, add all the carrots that previously were drained and throw them into the pan as well. Give them a good stir through, and then let's get ready for the next ingredient, brown sugar. Alright, you want to make sure that you add 3 to 4 heaped dessert spoons of brown sugar. Sprinkle it over the carrots, watch it start to sizzle and caramelise, and just cook them for another couple of minutes. Guys, if you have never used a cast iron skillet before, I'll leave a link in the description. Now you can sprinkle as much honey as you like over this, just make sure that you do it at the end, or else it all just melts away in the juice. Alright, Dale, now we're up to the taste test.
You don't think they'll be hot?
No, that'd be sweet, you'd be right.
If I burn my mouth.
You'd be right, you'd be able to talk.
Oh, okay.
So you go for the biggest one.
I think it's going to be really hot.
Yeah, it'd be hot. You'd be right.
Oh no, that's hot.
Push through the pain.
Put the tongue out. But
Hot? Spit it out.
look at the steam coming off the carrots. That is like really hot.
Oh,
Anyway, we'll try it again.
we're used to you burning your mouth taste testing anyway. Alright guys, it's finally cooked now. Looks a little hot. Amanda's had a couple of attempts at it. She hasn't been prepared to take one for the team, but I will for you guys to let you know. That is absolutely beautiful. I'd have that any day of the week.
Isn't
Make
it too
sure-
hot for you?
No, you just got to push through the pain, doll. So you just got to make sure you get a heap of honey, a heap of butter, a heap of brown sugar, and away you go. Alright guys, if you love this recipe, if you've tried it at home before, or if it's the first time you've ever seen one like this, please comment down below. Let us know. We'd love to hear from all of you out there. If it's the first time seeing this video on our channel, please hit the like and the subscribe button. We love you all, and we'll see you on the next one.
Cheers!
Cheers guys. Alright guys, let us know in the comments below.
Did you intend to say lettuce?
No, I didn't. Alright guys, let us know in the comments below.
Can't get over that.
What,
You
lettuce?
can't say lettuce because you...
Just because we're near the greenhouse,
I know, so you can't say
I've
lettuce.
got to say lettuce. So let us know in the comments below if you liked our little carrot recipe, and if you're going to try it at home, or if you've ever cooked it at home before, because we'd actually love to know.
Please do.
Yeah. So guys, if you could please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for Amanda. She'd love you as long time.
Oh, shut up. Hey, Turbo!
Thank you.
Turbo! Turbo's eating the bloody carrots. You're going to burn your tongue.
You burn your tongue?
Turbo.
You burn your tongue?
You burn your tongue,
Sick.
mate.